minutes later, here at 5 o'clock on the 24th of December, 2009, we're driving south on Blue Ridge Cutoff, approaching 79th, or approaching actually James Reed, and the sleet is increasing. As you can see, the road has got a thin layer of sleet and ice on it, and driving is becoming pretty treacherous here. As we move toward, actually, the heaviest part of the sleet. You didn't see that. Yellow means go like heck, doesn't it? But situation becoming even more dangerous out here, and you can see in the streetlights, perhaps, the sleet, and might be even light snow coming down now. So, oh, look at the Christmas lights! Isn't that pretty? On 83rd Street, just south of 83rd on Blue Ridge. And as you can see in the lights here, sleet and I guess it's some light snow. It looks mostly like sleet, but wind blown. Temperature's already down in the mid-20s, and the wind from the north and northwest gusting up to 30, 35. A blizzard warning in effect. So we'll see how Blue Ridge looks here in about 12 hours or more as this major winter storm, the Christmas storm of 2009.